Hi there, traders. So I'm gonna show you two trades I had, how I was thinking about it. Tradinglite is really core of my trading. I use it for multiple months. Every day I use it, I feel better with it. It's really connected also to psychology of the market, but I think it's very important. And right now it's giving us pretty easy trading conditions. It doesn't have to be that in the future, but at the moment it is like past half a year. The Binance futures, absolutely key. They are the biggest volume, and when you see the serious wall here, market pays attention. I pay attention too. We can see, like, context of the market is pretty simple for past few days. We are in a big uptrend, 10-day uptrend. Market find the range after we reach big technical targets. This was very important. Like, we started to see from yesterday the big wall added. It was like over 1,000 bitcoins. You can see what happened after. Market was ranging, yes, but as soon as we approach like $200 to $300 to the wall, taking profit was starting to get into place, and I was also taking profit, yes, here. And when we actually go to the wall, I'm looking to actually short it, because I can use the wall as a stop loss. Yeah, that's what I did yesterday. So very nice take profit here. You see market is ranging, like it doesn't even, it's like, again, psychology. This wall, you cannot know if it's real. It doesn't matter, but it has big psychological impact on traders. They do not want to even go further to the wall, so they just start take profit. Then later traders, late traders can start selling really, because when you approach walls, really, sometimes it's just not big aggressive selling, it's just take profit. So we go further. We go further. We came to the wall. This was big trade. Nice short we had yesterday. Also, you don't need huge leverage, for this. And also, you want to have wall on technical levels. Where we had technical levels here yesterday, yeah. So you see what happened. We started to chop around. You see some big aggressive selling. It's not happening. It was just taking profit, and later sellers arrived. I took this trade because it was worthy in my eyes, because I needed pretty tight stop loss, yeah. From 40,700 to, it was like $200 stop loss. Always give some breathing room from the wall, like 0.5%, yeah, $100 at least. This was amazing short. You see the reaction, boom down. We are still continuing range. They moved the wall now. It's same, guys, because you see it was like 1,000 was core, and then they added another 500. So again, it was even bigger now. Over 1,600 bitcoins. We go again, and same scenario happened again. You see the influence. It's for the past 48 hours. It's just crazy influence. Again, we arrived close to it. People take profit. Let's go. Again, we arrived here to this region. People take profit, and now you see what happened. So we started to fill the wall. What was the findings? We find out the wall is real. It was not spoofing, so no tricks on the market. So market start to think about it. Yeah, okay, it's real. People started buying here. It was some forced buying as well, because some shorts were building in this range. So some forced buying here, but also FOMO, because we are in 10-day uptrend. People think, oh, this is now time to 50K. So they just FOMO in. They wait for this. YouTubers are getting crazy right now. It's all this cocktail, psychology cocktail. I took this trade here again because I had some technicals here. It was another high volume node. In my eyes, it was another good area for the short. After that, I will be just waiting for the top of the range, some nice swing failure patterns, bridge of the VAG, and so on. In my eyes, it was good trade, because why? I had tight stop loss for this. I needed just 47,500 from here to maybe 47,670, yeah. So very tight stop loss, $170. Again, word in my eyes for reward ratio. You can see I was rewarded for take profit one. I think I took 55%, put stop loss to entry, got stopped out here as we moved into here. And because I need to see the resolution of this big wall. You see what happened here. Big buying pressure arrived. We filled the wall again. The wall is now gone. And what happened after the wall is gone, will tell you the story. When I see such a big walls, I'm thinking about it. Is it take profit area? Is it someone's take profit area, or it is genuine short? In my eyes, I can assume, because the range is pretty tight. Look here. So look here. If they were buying here, yeah, in limits, do they want to really take profit in such a short move? Such a $2,000 short here. It's not worth, So I think in my eyes, this is new genuine short, just based on market structure and what is market doing. But I cannot be sure. Of course, I cannot be sure. The market can tell you afterwards if it was genuine short or no, or it was just take profit. Because when you see take profit walls, we just go over them. Like, we fill the wall, we go a bit down, and then we continue with the market movement. It created some pressure on the market. but there was no follow through. What happened here made me think this seems like really genuine short, because we started really go down. I took short here in this region and I placed tight stop loss behind the high. I don't need any risk of holding more. If you want to really big day trade, maybe you can place the short behind this wall, but it's 200. It's decent as well. It's up to you. But if you enter a scalper, it's fine. Like you can put tight stop loss, yeah. And now you see the reaction, very big reaction down, and this is telling me now. Again, it is confirming me a bit of my bias. This might be really genuine short, and when the big short is planning entry, I know from very big traders and so on, I do it myself. I do partial limit sometimes when I have really strong level, and I add to my trades when I see confirmation. And I think they started to adding on the market as well. Why? Because they had really easy people to catch off guard, yeah. People were buying into the big walls here. Yeah, a lot of buyers. So you see like 1,000 Bitcoin buyers. It happened on all exchanges. Now they have pretty easy time. If they do not see the follow through, like they really want to break them, they can start squeezing these people and gain momentum from them. And now all these people buying the wall are trapped, yeah, and they can utilize it fully, yeah. And then market can take care of it, take care of the rest. So always watch what happens after big wall. And this is not ordinary wall. This is not 200 Bitcoin wall. This is 1,500 Bitcoin whereas here. This is very significant. So someone has pretty big interest on this area. 75 million order at least, yeah. So I pay attention to such a big orders. I always mention that. So you see one big wall, big impact on the price for the past 48 hours. It's just crazy. And right now the continuation to the downside. So my judgment was right about it. Maybe you need to learn, watch this, and learn maybe from me and Bram and other traders who are watching that. But it takes some psychology as well, thinking. Yeah, you just need to think if this is genuine. They will have really interest to push it down. Yeah, I just do not see why they would take profit here. From this small range, like it's not enough like reward ratio. Yeah, so, and also as an additional confirmation, you do not use just Tradinglite. You go to Exocharts and you watch Bybit, because Bybit order flow is truly leading. And you see what happened here. Same situation happened on Bybit. You look here, a lot of imbalances, people getting crazy already in this candle. It's looking good. This candle is looking good. Yeah, like very nice. 50 million volume, 14 million delta, beautiful. Yeah, people buying like crazy. But this candle, this must make you worry. What the fuck is happening? Like 51 million volume, 26 million delta. So from this point of view, crazy. But you see these absorptions. Like someone truly was interested to absorb here, and Bybit was utilizing that big wall on Binance as well. Because everything is interconnected. So people got absorptions here, beautiful, some shorts started coming. Only thing and one ingredient you are missing in this trade was like really big new shorts coming, yeah. You would want to see that as well as just squeezing, because you just starting to see like longs closing here mainly. Do not see as many shorts, but that's fine. You can take the absorptions trade, like it's worth a take, because the Tradinglite, the technical region and so on. In my eyes, it was only region I would take trade in this region, because it's high volume out here, and So if you took this trade, very nice, based on absorptions as well. You need tight stop loss here. You don't need, because it would be a sign of strength if you go over, and you are enjoying move to the downside. I look at here, like those longs who bought the ball getting squeezed, and right now we are getting continuation. I'd really expect now we can actually continue, because yeah. Even now, a lot of longs are coming, but still is not looking very, very clear for them. So, and shorts are coming as well. We will see. Also, yeah, I think that's it. So, key takeaway: always watch what happens after big wall, and think and psychology. Yeah, I hope this video was helpful for you, and I wish you a great trading day. Bye.